end of the day, yeah, the GoPro did dead for me this morning. But all I'm saying is, guys, we just really want to know if you take on the time on the road. And we want to know if you start where she was flashing me. We want to know if you start where helmet. You see me? I'm not in the helmet catch for head business or whatever. You understand? Just start with your helmet, guys. You see me? Just try. You see me? If you're not used to it, all you do is just take a little time and get used to it. You put it on today, you put it on for 1 hour, ride, you see me? Take it off, you see me? Yeah. Just try get yourself in the habit of wearing a helmet. The helmet is made for a reason. Not even one reason, but for reasons. Right? And one of those reasons is to protect your head. In the event of a fall, your head is protected. You know, get a blouse and skirt, both head. You understand what I'm saying? So, we're not... Oh, me can't go, there's a shade. So wearing a helmet will protect you from your head meeting the pavement. Right? If the ground did softer than your head, then we wouldn't have no problem. Would I just tell you, alright, go on. Because if the ground was softer than your head and your head lit the ground, there would be minimal damage to your head. You see me? But because the ground is tougher than your head, wear something that is almost as tough as the ground. You understand? Yeah. So we just want everybody to just ride safe and protect yourself out there. You understand? Because honestly, I'm tired to see the fatalities as regards to bike and all of them things there. You see me? Whoa, saw that one. Saw that one. The bike I broke the light too, so yeah. That's why in this game of being on the road, you have to give up your right of way to stay on the right side of life. Yeah, that's what I'm saying? You have to give up your right of way, because if you don't, you want to be the bigger man or the best man or whatever. Then, yeah, why this dude stickers on the back of his bike? What the fuck, bro? Yeah. Watch your foot in a bath, man. I don't want to run over it, you know. Yeah, guys, so I just want to know if you just easy out there on the road, you know. Just watch out for each other. You see me? Because if I didn't meet in that accident, my brethren would still be alive, you know. Auntie Mar, come on, come up with me. A cat boy. You not come with me? Eh? Mar, a cat boy. Go on, man, you don't hear me. I'm going to talk to you, you go like you don't hear me. out this video. I don't quite remember what I was saying this morning, but I'm gonna close out the video now and try to focus on the road going home in this traffic, you know. So take on the time, watch the traffic, and just be safe out there, because no matter who you are, everybody has a family. Everybody has somebody who is looking forward to them coming home, putting food on the table, and all them things there. You see me? So yeah, just go and do what is right, people. Nigga's on his phone. On a girl in the corner and they're on his phone, brother. Guy was like balls in her head or nothing. Holy freaking hell, bro. Accident just happened, you know. I turn back and see what's going on. Hopefully I know somebody, man. Bad charge. How go on? Bike alright?
Bike right off.
Bike right off. Me see it, man. But the bike alright?
Bike off?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, man.
Oh.
Can I bridge in?
No, me just a check him. Me just a pass and just a check.
Oh, yeah, man.
You're there on your 2 foot, so that is good, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Guys, so Ain't no way that I'm going to see a bike catch up on the side of the road with the front end mash up and me gonna just ride past. That ain't me, bro. I have to check, I have to know if everybody is okay. You know, the rider is on his 2 foot, that's good. It look like it's just a minor thing. But you know these little bikes, once you meet in an accident, once you lick the front end, it don't look like a something major. The front end bending and very. It just look like a turn, somebody turn off on him, so good. Look like him even get no scratch or nothing like that, you understand?